with page number 77. Page number 77. Okay. Who arrange past events in order of time? Who arrange? Yes.
हमें पीसी और एडीएफ प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ बेटा।
मैम मेरी बुक में टाइमलाइंस वाले में थर्ड पैराग्राफ के लास्ट सेकंड लाइन में सी और एडी में प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ हाँ, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू। अभी पहले आप ये करिए। ओके हाँ, देखिए। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन फर्स्ट दैट topic AD and BC. Okay, what is the difference of between AD and BC? The year before the birth of Christ. ठीक है, वो सारे ईयर जो कि जीसस क्राइस्ट के बर्थ से पहले हुए है ना, उनकी बर्थ से पहले, द ईयर बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ क्राइस्ट आर expressed as BC. The full form is before Christ. ठीक है, all dates in BC are counted backward. वो backward counting में जाती है पीछे। ठीक है, that is the meaning of BC. And when we indicate AD, okay, when we indicate AD, it stands for Anno Domini, या फिर इसको भी ये भी बोलते हैं द ईयर ऑफ द लॉर्ड। क्यों बोलते हैं इसको द ईयर ऑफ द लॉर्ड? जस्ट बिकॉज इट रेफर्स टू द पीरियड इन हिस्ट्री आफ्टर द बर्थ ऑफ क्राइस्ट, यानी कि जीसस क्राइस्ट। ओके, क्योंकि इसको द ईयर ऑफ द लॉर्ड इसलिए बोलते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज, क्योंकि जीसस क्राइस्ट के बर्थ के बाद ये टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ। हम उसको इंडिकेट करते हैं AD, स्टैंड्स फॉर AD, एनो डोमिनी। ठीक है, अब ये सिर्फ इतना सा डिफरेंस है AD और BC। ठीक है, बिफोर द क्राइस्ट, आफ्टर द बर्थ ऑफ क्राइस्ट। क्लियर है? नाउ इट्स क्लियर। ओके, now come to the topic, another topic. I'm going to share the all the fill-ups and exercise. I'm going to revise all the exercise with you. It is on page number 77. Just go with that page number. Who arrange past events in order of time? Who arrange past events in order of time? ठीक है, जो भी लोग एग्री करते हैं मुझसे, who they are agree, just give me the thumb. ठीक है, using your icons. ठीक है, give me the thumb. Who arrange past events in order of time? Which? Historians. Okay, historians arrange past events in order of time. Now next topic, fill up number 2. ठीक है, take the correct option. Take the correct option. Which among the following is not a Sanskrit text of Hindu? Which among the following is not a Sanskrit text of Hindus? There are options: Smriti, Brahmana, Upanishad, Sayuki. Okay. Now, Smriti, Brahmana and Upanishad, these all are religious literature. ठीक है, हमने पढ़ा था ना, we had already studied about that. स्मृति, ब्राह्मणा एंड उपनिषद. तो नॉट अ संस्कृत टेक्स्ट ऑफ हिंदू. तो कौन सा हो गया? तो कोई, सॉरी, सियोकी. ठीक है, टिक करिए उसको. दैट इज द राइट. ओके, दैट इज द राइट वन. एंड अगेन we are going to the first point. First, arrange past events in order of time. Past में जो events हुए हैं, who ordered the all the events according to the time? King? No. कोई king तो नहीं करते हैं. He is the also the part of the history. Doctors? No. Doctors भी नहीं हो सकते हैं, है ना? Archaeologists? No. They are the surveyor. वो survey करते हैं. Historians. Historians is the right option. Next, the old religious books of Jains were written in. The old religious books of Jains were written in which language? In which language? Hindi, Telugu, Pali, Prakrit. हिंदी, तेलुगु, पाली, प्राकृत. अब हमें क्या होना है? लॉजिकल होना है इसमें. हम अब कभी कभी हम बहुत सारी चीजें तो हमने लर्न करी हैं, बट देयर आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स जो कि हमें लॉजिकल होके करना. पाली लैंग्वेज तो बौद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट में यूज होती थी, है ना? इट वाज यूज्ड इन बौद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट. एंड तमिल एंड तेलुगु लैंग्वेज साउथ इंडियन लिटरेचर में. ठीक है, it was used in South Indian literature. And Hindi, there is no description of Hindi in that. So the Prakrit language, okay, the old religious books of Jains were written in Prakrit language. Next, tick करिए उसको. Tick that option, Prakrit. It could come in fill-ups also and 1 mark question answers also. Which book did? Megasthenes write? Which of these books? Ramayana, Harshacharitra, Baburnama, and Indica. Okay. Ramayana, Harshacharitra, Baburnama, ये तो incorrect options हैं. All these are incorrect options. Clear? Now the correct option is Indica. Which is the correct option? Indica. You can see that in page number 75. You can cross check that. I had told you about the AD and the BC. All dates in BC are counted. सारी dates जो BC में कैसे counted होती हैं? All these dates are counted backwards. Okay? All these dates are counted backward. Clear? All you have to write down all these things. Okay? You have to write down all these things. Okay. Now come to the matching. ठीक है? Match the following. Ramayana, Samudragupta, fossils, अर्थशास्त्र, edicts. ठीक है? The right option is for Ramayana. Ramayana is a religious literature. Okay? Ramayana is a religious literature. Is that clear? Okay. Now next, Samudragupta. ठीक है? Samudragupta, going with the Allahabad inscriptions tell us about the Samudragupta's military conquests. ठीक है? So Samudragupta should match with the Allahabad inscriptions. Okay. Samudragupta should match with the Allahabad inscription. Next, fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are remains of plants and animals. Fossils are remainings of plants and animals. Now, next, Arth Shastra. Arth Shastra. Arth Shastra is a secular literature. ठीक है? Arth Shastra is a secular literature. It is not related to any religious content. ठीक है? Arthashastra is a secular literature. Now, edicts. Edicts are related to Ashoka. Edicts are related to the Ashoka. The inscriptions of the Mauryan king Ashoka are the earliest inscription in India. They are known as edicts. They are known as edicts. Okay? Yes. दोबारा रिपीट कर लेते हैं बेटा. Ramayana, the religious literature. Samudragupta related to the Allahabad inscriptions. Fossils are remains of plants and animals. Fossils are remains of plants and animals. Now, next exercise is fill up. Number 1. Just go with point number 1. Dash is the account of the past events arranged in an ordinary manner. Dash is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Orderly manner. The right one is history. History is the history is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Clear? Okay. Yes. Next. Point number 2, inscriptions are the dash records engraved on pillars and walls of temples or caves, etc. Clear? Inscriptions are the dash records engraved on pillars and walls of temples and caves, etc. Means written records. Inscriptions are the written records. Inscriptions are the written records engraved on pillars and walls of temples, caves, etc. Clear? Next, Purans are dash literature. क्या होती है पुराण? Purans are religious literature. Okay, Purans are religious literature. Next, Dash wrote the Arthashastra. Who wrote the Arthashastra? Who wrote the Arthashastra? Kautilya. Kautilya wrote the Arthashastra. Clear? Kautilya wrote the Arthashastra. Next, who wrote Sayuki Hong Song? यहाँ पर spelling, write down the spelling also. H-I-E-U-N H-I-E-U-N P-S-A-N-G Hyun Song. ठीक है? Hyun Song wrote Sayuki. Clear? I am going to repeat all the exercise now. I am going to repeat. Okay. Point number 1. Historians arrange past events in order of time. Point number 1 for the correct option. Historians arrange past events in order of time. Clear? Point number 2. Which among the following is not a Sanskrit text in Hindus? Which among the following is not a Sanskrit text of Hindu? Sayuki, because it was written by Hyun Song. ठीक है? The Sayuki is not a Sanskrit text of Hindus. Clear? Next. All religious books of Jains were written in Prakrit. Written in Prakrit. Next. Which book did Megasthenes write? Indica. Next. All the dates in BC are counted backwards. Next. Ramayana related to religious literature. Related to religious literature. Samudragupta related with Allahabad inscriptions. Fossils are remains of plants and animals. Arthashastra is secular literature. Edicts are related to Ashoka. Now, Phillips also. History is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. History is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Next, inscriptions are the written records engraved on pillars and walls of temples, caves, etc. Purans are religious literature. Kautilya wrote the Arthashastra. Hyun Song wrote Sayuki. Clear? Now, come with the first question number 1. What is history? What is history? I will share also PDF. Okay? I will also share PDF of that chapter. What is history? Write down. Always use your notebook and your pencil or pen. History is the account. History is the account. You can go with page number 75 also. You can go with page number 75. First para, first line. History is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Clear? Clear? History is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Now, question number 2. What are the people who arrange past events in order of time called? Who are the people who arrange past event in order of time called? Historians. You can write down HISTORIANS. Okay? HISTORIANS. Historians. Now next. What is prehistory? Again, go with page number 71. Page number 71. Prehistory is the period of human development. Prehistory is the period of human development when human beings did not know. You go with page number 71. Development when human beings did not know how to read and write. How to read and write. I'm repeating the line. Prehistory is the period of human development when human beings did not know how to read and write. Clear? Next question. What are inscriptions? What are inscriptions? Just go with page number 73. Inscriptions are the written records. Inscriptions are the written record. Engraved on pillars, walls of temples, caves, forts, palaces, and on copper or clay tablets. I am repeating the definition. Inscriptions are the written records engraved on pillars, walls of temples, caves, forts, palaces, and on copper or clay tablets. Yes, complete. Now